Yeah, guys. I just want to quickly share my analysis for next week with you guys. Yeah, this is a unique card, and it's a daily time frame. Uh, yeah, so you can see price was very bearish. But let me just go straight to maybe Euro USD. Let me just quickly explain the trades that I took this week. As you can see, GPUSD is bearish, overall bearish. We tap into this order block or this eye. Okay. Yeah. I think that other block was from which time frame exactly? I think I forgot about. I think on the weekly time frame. The other block was from the weekly time frames of our other block. Press tap to the other block. Price broke structure here. You can see right here. Price broke structure right here. Yeah, structure there. Price pushed up, came down, changed character from this zone. Changed character from this zone right here. Changed character here. As we can see, on this point, as price changed character, it went back to another block to mitigate the other block and finally sell from there. And this was the other block. So that block right here. As you can see, price rejected from the other block. It also swept the eyes of the other block. It swept above the other block and grab liquidity from there. From there, price started pushing down. Let me go over to the 4 hour time frame. Yeah, on the 4 hour time frame, as we can see, as price tapped that daily order block, price also came down, tapped this other block, started pushing higher, but failed, came back down. Changed character from this zone right here. This is internal structure change of character. Price change, price change character right there. So on that point, price went back to this other block, taking out the liquidity above this high. Then liquidity above that high. And the took out liquidity above that high, went straight to this other block, tapped the other block. This could have been a great entry, but I wasn't on this pair at that time. Came down, broke structure. Price came back. It didn't mitigate any other blocks. Came back. It just rejected from this fair value gap and started selling. Yeah, and price came down again. Broke structure here. Structure and currently looking out for a sell on Euro USD from maybe this either one of these two other blocks, this other blocks, or this, or even majorly this new other block. Yeah, I don't really know which one is going to reject from, but let's draw out our Fibonacci tool and see which one is going to be better for the sell. Okay, I hope everybody knows how to use Fibonacci, and from the highs to the lows if you're on the downtrend. And as we can see here, as we can strongly see here, yeah, the 0.886 level and the 0.79 level. Another block is kind of in between them but above. That's why I marked this other block. This other block is the extreme other block, and price might likely return to that zone before it actually sells off. Yeah, the reason why I marked this other 4 other block is based on this is where the new break of structure occurred, and there's also an inducement here, an inducement other block here. Price may likely sell from that point. And also, so why I marked out this eye again is that this could also be a liquidity. This could also be an inducement zone for us to sell from, for the market to take people's orders. The market will take people's stop losses and go up to this other block and sell from here. If actually pushing down more. Okay, yeah. So these trades, the lower one, the stop loss should be 50 pips. This one, the stop loss, the TP is 240 pips. This other one, the stop loss is 40 pips, but I'm going to adjust it to 50. The TP is 300 pips. I'm going to adjust that to 300 pips. And that's it for Euro USD. And I normally like to take my entries. Yeah. And also, there's also the scenario of this trade right here. For this bet I took on, I think on, yeah, on Friday, or yeah, I think on Friday, but it activated on Thursday night. Why I entered this on this trade was that the internal structure changed character. It broke structure at first, broke structure here. On the lower time frame, it grabbed liquidity here, but I don't actually like to trade the higher time frames like the 1 hour and the 1 hour to like the 3 hour, 4 hour. Yeah, changed character here. Price gave us a high. And my target is before this other block, because price can actually push lower from here, but I'm expecting it to actually go higher from here. The stop loss is 25 pips. The TP is 100 pips. That's forest to the world. That's a forest to the world trade. And also I also identified some liquidity inside here. My other block was from the 30 minutes time frame. My other block was from the 30 minutes time frame. Just tapped me in and started moving. I think a friend of mine caught this from I think maybe the 15 minutes or so, but he told me he caught his own from a snapper entry. So I think so that should be from the 30 minutes or so. Okay. Yeah, I also called out some of my trades on my free Telegram channel. If you guys are interested, I think I'll drop a um, a link to the Telegram channel on this video in the description. Yeah, JPY pairs, GBP, JPY. I got some crazy trades last week. I posted everything on my Telegram channel. The Before the movement actually happened. This trade, I called this trade out on Monday. This was this on Monday. I was just been on JPY pairs. This on Monday, price just been moving. This other one, I called this sell. I called this sell. I think yeah around Tuesday, and this other one, this was on Friday. Price just tapped me in and started moving in my direction. Like this, I think this is one of my fastest trades yet. This one here, this one TP. This one is currently running at I think 140 pips. Yes, 140 pips for market close. I'm gonna leave them till next. I left them till next week, so I can like. I don't like closing my trades like that. I like to see them ETP or SL. This one ETP. This one that ETP has already secured the profit for this 2 year already. Yeah, my target for this is 200 pips. Stop loss 50 pips. Also GBP card. Yeah, I also ETP on GBP card last week. I called all these trade outs on my Telegram channel, on my free Telegram channel. I basically dropped trades for them. I think a guy made for something dollars this week or so on those JPY trades. This one I'm not sure anybody took it because back then I think they were new to the channel and I don't really know sure, but yeah, press stick went above this other block, grab liquidity above the other block and just started dropping. Started dropping. At this point I thought price might move higher to hit my SL. But price eventually pushed lower. Price eventually pushed lower and hit my TP. Stop loss was 30 pips. TP was 140 pips. The rest of the world 4.6. Rest of the world almost 4.7. Yeah, I'm currently expecting a buy, but if I can get that buy, I want price to change character first before mitigating on the block. If price can strictly do something like this, I can strictly do something like this, maybe do something like this, push lower, and maybe push higher from here and come back down. I'm going to take this trade. And also, if price does something like this, pushes higher, comes back down, taps the other block in the zone here, I'm going to enter for this buy and buy it all the way up. My stop loss would be below this other block right here. Because price has already changed character while mitigating the other block. My TP my TP will be on this very high. It's gonna be a really really long trade for me. I think I'm gonna put it around this high because this is the current in internal liquidity high. Yeah, this is like 4.5 lower, but I'm gonna expect price to actually push lower into this other block for actually shooting up to actually get more orders filled for more momentum. You get, yeah. We should just get the entry around here. The other block should be inside the zone. I'm gonna use the 1 hour, or I'm gonna use an hourly order block. So it should be below here. That's like 50 pips. TP will be here. That's like 225 pips. Stop loss is 50 pips. So I get something like this, but I'm not really sure that price might do something like this because everything in the market is not certain. Price can actually push lower. Once price pushes lower like this, I'm gonna be expecting a sell from an eye above this zone. And then inside here, I think the 1 hour hour is my entries are normally from the hourly eye. My entries are normally from the hourly eye. Well, let's see. Once price just breaks this zone, I'm gonna be expecting a sell from this other zone here. Yeah. Okay. So the pairs. Okay, Euro card. Euro card is just basically a trade based off liquidity concepts. It's basically trade based off liquidity concepts. And as you can see here on the 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time, or let me just take it to the weekly time frame for you guys. Yeah, on the weekly time frame, we can see that price was overall bullish and price broke structure here, broke structure here. Let me just quickly manually edit this. Price broke structure there, broke structure again here, and price came down, changed character around the zone, and move to the downside. Price pushed higher to create a liquidity for us, liquidity to trap sellers in the market, liquidity to trap sellers in the market, and also equal lows right here. Price came down, swept this lows, pushed higher, took out this liquidity, and tapped this daily order block. Came down again, changed character from that point. Yeah, so see a price change character from this point. Broke structure too. Took out the liquidity, around this eye because some people would have been looking to sell from here. But in that case, price did an internal market structure shift for us. And that was a significant a significant signal that price is gonna go bullish again. And also this tapping here failed to mitigate the daily order block. Let's go over to 4 hour and properly check it out. Failed to mitigate the daily order block. Before price mitigated daily order block, price push higher. Let's have that. Yeah, pushed higher. And this is also liquidity zone for us because some people will be looking to buy. People will be looking for to buy from here. Yeah, this kind of a support zone, kind of a support zone in its own way. People will be looking to buy and try to keep their stop losses below the zone right here. And eventually they get stopped out because of the other block below. Yeah, that's maybe how they would trade, but I'm not really sure. Yeah. Um, I'll normally wait for a trend character on this based on the daily time frame. I can't enter like that. I will to ensure character and target this high. The stop loss is 40 pips, TP 250 pips. Yeah. And also on AUD USD also. It's also the same movement on Euro USD, but I'm waiting for a bullish change of character on this to enter from the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, on the 1 hour time frame, as you can see, price is slowly pushing higher. If we can break this high and close above this high, maybe the 2 hour or the 4 hour, or even the 1 hour, can get a good signal that this is gonna come back down and push higher. My TP my TP is normally before another block or before a liquidity zone. If I can get a liquidity above another block or above a favorable gap, I can that's where my TP is at. And also for the sell, it's also the same explanation as Euro USD. Basically the same thing. But I think on this I'm gonna just enter manually because price has already given us a market structure shift on this. I'm gonna enter manually and sell down. That's 5.75 raised to the world. That's all right. Euro AUD. Okay. Yeah, Euro AUD. ITP on Euro AUD this week. I think so. Yeah, on this week. Yeah. ITP on Euro AUD this week. Yeah, I'm currently looking for Euro AUD to sell back down to the zone. But I don't really know where it's going right now based on how it's moving because price liquidity above this high, and I was eventually looking for it to break this low. I'm not going to enter like that for it to break this low. For it to break this low, and I can get it's already building up liquidity around this point. I can get a good entry above this high and just sell to this low. That's like how many pips? Stop loss is 50 pips, TP 200 pips. That's forwards to the world. That's nice. Okay, so it goes. Euro. I think I'm gonna wrap up this video, but BTC USD. Okay, let me quickly review BTC USD for you guys. On BTC USD, we can see that price is overall bearish. Price is overall bearish, and as you can see, price grab liquidity here. Price also came down, broke the structure, but on around this low, exactly around this low, price grab liquidity. As we know, this kind of a liquidity pool market build up, something like this. That's exactly what the market is doing now, building up liquidity to actually trap the sellers. Trap the sellers. Eventually, price will push up, take out all these highs, check out this high. This is the major inducement zone. I actually sell from here. I sell from that zone and push back down. Just look at this layout right here, this drawout right here. It's exactly the same thing as what is happening here. Exactly the same movement. And as you can see on this low, I'm trying to catch the buy. I already dropped this trade on my Signal group on my Telegram channel. I mean, I already dropped the trade on my Telegram channel. And this is the inducement for us. This is the inducement and the liquidity. I'm just waiting for it to buy. Stop loss is 140 pips. I know it's a bit big, but this is BTC. I don't um I don't really like using low low pips on this. I'm targeting the liquidity above this other block for the sale. The TP is 760 pips. TP 760 pips. I think this week in total the trades I caught are like I think 80 pips. 80 pips in 800 pips. I mean 800 pips in total, or I think 900 pips. Or but they are very close to that to those numbers. I'm looking for it to buy from this point up into this point. And also, I'm going to sell from this. I've been waiting for this trade ever since when price was, yeah, Friday, April 24. I've actually been waiting for this trade ever since. Sorry, April April 13. I've been waiting for this trade ever since April 13. Yeah, I think I'm going to wrap up the video with that. Yeah, let me show you guys some of the losses I also took. Yeah, UD card. I think I've shared this a minute ago. AUD card, as you can see, AUD card is um AUD card is UD card stopped me out. Took out this liquidity, even went lower, take out the liquidity. But if I can get a good if I can get a good change of character as from this eye here, as you can see price broke structure here, and this is the zone where if price breaks it, we know that price is going to change character. If price does that, I'm going to set my buy limit from here. Stop loss should be around just quickly draw out the layout. Stop loss should be around 50 pips or so. We're targeting this new eye here. Targeting this my stop loss should be around maybe 50 pips. So just be safe. Just be safe. Just be safe, guys. Yeah. Um. And also, why this stopped me out? I think there was news that day, but if your analysis is correct, news will respect your analysis. And I think this analysis was actually incorrect. Let's actually see how this new one goes, but let's see how the new week goes. Okay. I think that wraps up my pairs and also USD CHF. Okay, let me quickly share USD CHF. USD CHF. I forgot to set a buy limit on this What is set a buy limit on USD CHF? As you can see, it just tapped my zone, started moving higher. Don't stop me about it. Just took out the liquidity below, here, and actually buying, started buying to the upside. I don't think I'm going to get a re-entry on this, but let's see if price can break structure and give us a new trade around these lows. Let's see how it goes, guys. See how it goes. Price just breaks this high. I'm gonna be waiting for a new entry on which of my pairs have I shared now? GBP USD on GBP USD. Okay. Here on GBP USD. I'm also looking out for a sell on GBP USD as at my other pairs. Yeah, this something like a liquidity build a liquidity build setup for the sell. I'm looking at it to sell from here or from this high. Exactly what I just explained on Euro USD, but on different other blocks. If this one can also change character for me, maybe price can change character for me next week and do something like this. Something like this and break this high, maybe push higher, maybe something like this, and I'll get an entry from this zone and buy it all the way up into this high or this other block because I can't. Okay, yeah, there's liquidity above this zone. Yeah, I'm gonna target this high right here. I'm gonna target this high right here. Just buy it up to this side. Well, I know I'm pressing a push higher, but I just want to get in and out of the market, not trying to play it hard. Because price can sweep liquidity and push lower and stop me out. It's always good to be sensible in the market. Yeah, perhaps it up on this. I'm also waiting for a change character. Price don't change character from here. Price don't change character from here. I'm gonna catch the sell from that. Yeah, that wraps up. That wraps up my pairs. So you wraps up my pairs. Okay, I'm gonna end this video now. Thank you guys for actually watching. And also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please help me subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna drop my Instagram username around here on this video. To actually join me and catch the street, join my Telegram channel. I'm gonna be dropping the signals there next week for you guys. I drop everything for free. I don't have any paid. It's not paid or anything. I don't have um any paid. I just do things for free. I share my trades on my Instagram. I share it on my Telegram. I just basically share my trades there. That's just it. Yeah. Do yourself good and join the channel because trades I called last week, a lot of guys in the group made some money for themselves. Yeah. Okay, let's see how it goes, guys. Next week is gonna be late. Let's see how it goes, guys. I'm gonna be in this video now, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. See you guys in my next one. Try as much as possible to get some value from these videos, please.